My name is Karl. I'm working at the IT-Systemhaus of the federal agency in Germany, and I'm a lead architect. In this role, I'm responsible for the alignment, strategy, and operating. Federal Labor Agency is part of the federal government and has a key role on the labor market, providing services like job placement and financial aids. We handling around about 40 million emails per day and 60 million payment transactions in a month. There is a digital agenda of the federal Germany. The digital agenda foresees that we have to enable all interaction digital till 2020. Servo will provide many APIs, such REST and SOAP APIs in our company. Such interfaces have to be highly reliable and secured. Therefore, we looked at the market for a product fits best our requirements and found Axway API Gateway. From the organizational perspective, there was a challenge to integrate the policy implementation and the update process in our continuous delivery pipeline. And from the technical aspect, it was difficult to get generic policies for our APIs. We still use API as a secure component, and we want to expand the possibilities of the API with the API management and the API portal. We have a lot of discussions between our development department and our security department to get all requirements and security aspects in order to assure a highly performant and secure implementation. We are very satisfied with our Axway API, and it is highly integrated in our secure infrastructure, and we want to expand it with the API management and the API gateway to offer our APIs in the external market.